In 2008, BMW created a new segment in the automotive market and launched the first ever sport activity coupe in the world, the BMW X6. 12 years later, they launched the most powerful sport activity coupe in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mulham from the Elite Cars Showroom Abu Dhabi, and this is the BMW X6M Competition. The X6M Competition is powered by a V8 4.4-liter twin-turbo engine, produces 625 horsepower and 750 Nm of torque, transferred to the tires through an 8-speed automatic M transmission with drive logic from ZF. Launches this beast from 0 to 100 in just 3.8 seconds and from 0 to 200 in 13.5 seconds. It uses also an MX drive and active M differential. The X6M Competition uses 10 radiators to cool the engine. That's why you see this massive big vents in the front. Also, they cannot use the normal active airstream like the normal X6. That's why they have the M kidney grills in the front. Also, we can see the BMW laser lights, full view camera, so you can see everything around the car. And for the first time in a BMW M car, we can see the active cruise control with stop and go function, which is part of the driving assistant professional. The X6M Competition comes with M multifunctional seats for the driver and front passenger, with honeycomb design, seat ventilation and heating and massage, and X6M illumination on the backrest. The famous M1 and M2 buttons are still present in the X6M Competition, and now it became even more easier. So there is an M mode button that you can immediately click, go to road, sport, and if you hold it, you go to track mode. Then you just press activate track and everything is set up for you. Bowers & Wilkins is one of the most amazing features in the BMW X6 Competition. So it includes sound profiles, studio, concert, 3D, on-stage, cinema and lounge, and you can choose the 3D density. It has 20 speakers, produces 1475 watts, and you can control the volume using the gestures control. The carbon fiber trims gives really sporty interior feeling, and the instrument cluster finished in leather is something really nice in the car. The rear passengers can enjoy the rear seat entertainment professional screens with touchscreen and operating system 7, Blu-ray, HDMI and USB audio interface. 4 exhaust tailpipes and all the horizontal lines are pointing at the BMW emblem in the middle, with the rear spoiler in carbon fiber. Tells you that this is the most aggressive BMW that has been ever built. If you're looking to purchase the BMW X6M Competition, it's available in our showroom in Abu Dhabi. Please visit the showroom and we will do the best deal for you.